Question po as a curious student. This question goes to DOST Region 9. First of all po, I really commend and sobrang natuwa po kasi given na yun nga po maliit lang po yung employee or labor force sa DOST, ang ganda-ganda po ng quality and ng branch na yun sa Region 9. And ask ko lang po, based po sa survey, based po sa studies, research and development, innovation, and science and technology are vital po sa competitiveness ng bansa. Gusto ko lang po tanong kung ano po yung efforts nyo and other projects in improving po yung technology, especially po sa area nyo at sa region nyo. And sabi nga po nila, human capital is very important. So ano po yung efforts nyo regarding po dun sa education, kung maliban po sa DOST scholarships, ano pa po yung different projects niyo po sa education po, in improving education? Pasensya na po, hindi masyadong PQA related.
Not PQA related, but parang ikaw na nagbigay ng pinakamahirap na tanong. Anyway, sa DOST 9, we are not doing research sa office, but we fund research. That's what we do. We encourage the SUCs to submit proposal because we believe that research, generating knowledge, will contribute to the development of especially our place. Sa scholarship naman, like what was presented by Jenny, dun sa high school to college level, we subsidize, we manage and subsidize the scholarship program. But in terms of yung sa mataas na, actually in our office, we accept students to undergo on-the-job training, especially in our laboratories. So when they go out from our labs, they have no problem finding jobs because they know, the companies know, and even the companies ask us if we can recommend people for them because they know that these OJTs came from a very good training ground institution. Na-answer ko na ba? Ano pa yung
Ask ko lang ulit, how about naman po dun regarding sa improving science and technology and innovation po sa region nyo? Through funding lang po talaga sa mga researchers natin.
Yung sa innovation naman, right now, we assist micro and small firms. If you go to the provinces, you will see how small, how crude these production areas at first. So we go in and we help them in their processes. We infuse funds through our setup projects, which was explained earlier, to help them acquire equipment to improve their production processes. And the plus factor there is that when they produce something, especially food-related products, we have the laboratories to support in their, to check their quality and the safety of their food products.
Thank you po.
Okay, so